I'm Ashton Bowling, and during spring 2025, I completed an internship with Uncommon Fashion, a wholesale company based in Atlanta, Georgia. My day-to-day tasks varied, but I mainly assisted the marketing manager with outreach for markets, creating and updating marketing flyers, contacting accounts about markets and pending orders, and helping organize samples in the showroom. I also traveled to Dallas and other trade shows to help set up brand booths, work with accounts, and capture social media content. On slower days, I reviewed lead lists as part of my internship project. I found this opportunity through the APME Industry and Internship Experience resource. After emailing my resume and introduction to the owner, Blake Rayon, I interviewed with Alexis Rayon, the president of sales and marketing, and secured the internship after a few months of follow-ups. The internship gave me experience across marketing, sales, and operations. Three key things that I took away was to stay open-minded because every task is a learning opportunity. Be patient with yourself. Internships get easier as you settle in. And lastly, it's okay for expectations to change. Flexibility can lead to valuable experiences. My advice for future interns would be don't be intimidated, ask questions, and focus on learning. You're not expected to know everything right away. Thank you.